Hey, what's going on, guys? Big Country Farmer here. And right now, I am currently in our Kodiak water truck. And I'm about to take it back to my grandpa's house. And we're going to go ahead and test some wheat and see if it's dry enough to run today. We've been waiting the past couple days to get the wheat dried up, but it's just been so cloudy and there hasn't really been a lot of sunlight. Although it has rather been kind of warm. I don't know if the cloud cover kept it cooler or what the deal is, but anyway, I'm on my way, or gonna be on my way down to my grandpa's here in a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and see how wet or dry the wheat is. And hopefully here in a little bit I'll be letting you guys know if we're going to be cutting wheat or if we're going to be doing something else. So I guess the wheat is basically going to be is going to determine how our day is going to go. We're either going to be in the field today or we're going to be doing stuff around home today. So I guess it just all kind of depends on the wheat right now. So let's go ahead and get on the road. Well, I'm on my way to Grandpa's. Probably gonna make this clip a little bit shorter than what I usually do. I don't want to have a cop come driving past me and see I got my phone in my hand. This is usually the truck that I'm in when I'm hauling down water for spraying. So basically this is my overall view throughout the days that I'm hauling water to. Well, Kodiak's put away. Now I just gotta wait for Dad and Sis to get back here with a sample of wheat, and we'll go ahead and get the wheat tested. Hopefully it's not too wet. Let's see. They're not moving. They're turned around coming back the other way. But I don't know. I'm assuming you got enough in the grain tank. So, turn some lights on. I don't need that one. So, go ahead and show you our moisture tester right here. This is what we use to test all of our crops: corn, soybeans, wheat. We use this to test the moisture. This is what we use to indicate if it's wet enough or dry enough. Now, we could go, it's hot out there. We could go based off of the monitor, but yesterday the monitor was reading it was only 16% moisture. We brought it down here and this said 18. So we usually go by that versus the monitor because the monitor isn't always correct. So go ahead and get a sample of wheat in that, and we'll go ahead and see if it's, hopefully it's dry enough to cut today. Well guys, we finally found wheat that was dry enough. And right now Dad's just making the first pass along the road here in Waterville along 64. He's got right here cut already. All the way down to the other end and back, he's got cut already. He's gonna get the field opened up, and he'll probably fill that truck down there, way down there at the other end first, and then I'll probably relieve him while he's at the elevator, and I'll start cutting and start filling this other truck right here. But anyway, we finally got in the field. Wheat's running about 15% moisture. Dad was hoping it was going to be around 13, but he said that anything 15% and below we're cutting. So, yeah, right now he's about down. He's almost to the other corner of the field. Not quite there yet, but he's almost there. But anyways, you can tell we got the straw and windrows today, or this year, not today, this year. We're gonna get it, we already got it sold to somebody who wants it, so gonna have some straw to bale this year. We're not gonna be baling it, but we're gonna have some straw to get rid of. But excuse me. If you look down in there, can't really see a whole lot. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a kernel or two here and there, but other than that, it looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and hopefully get most of it cut today. There's 100 acres here, so I don't know if we're gonna get it all cut today or not. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. The 2016 wheat harvest has officially begun. Alright guys, quick update. From them row of trees right there over to about right here where the wheat stopped is what we got cut already. We got a little section back there behind the church that we still got to get, but right now we're working our way over from there all the way over to the road. Dad's got this truck right here about 3/4 of the way full, so we're hoping that if we get all this done right here, from here to the road done today, we should be good. Might even jump on the other side of the trees right there and start cutting towards the woods, but I guess time will tell. Right now the wheat's running about 15%, and we're hitting 90 bushel spots, but the average is only 70 right now, so we're hoping that them 90 bushel spots and higher will bump the yield up a little bit, the average. So yeah, this is what we got started so far. Dad's just getting this first truck loaded right here, and then he'll head to the elevator and I'll probably start cutting. So hopefully we can get an inside view of the cab, and I'll show you what goes on inside the 9750. Well guys, I finally made it in the combine. Wheat's running anywhere from 70 to 110 bushel, but the average is only about 79, about 80. So far so good. And yeah, we do have the auto steer in here. A little hard to do everything one-handed, but we'll make the best of it. 30-foot grain head, 9750 John Deere combine, duals. Putting the straw on windrows. So we got all the straw sold. I'll do a couple more clips here in a little bit, cutting wheat, but right now I just kind of wanted to show you that I finally got in the combine, and so far everything's running pretty decent. So far so good. Well guys, we got this much done so far. Over to where we stopped, here, we've gotten done so far. We got just this little bit over here to go. So far we haven't had any troubles. All the equipment's working alright, all the technology's working good. Average is around 83. I've been hitting spots where it'll go from 111 to 110. Anywhere from the 80s up to 111 bushel. Oop, 114. That's the highest I've seen today. So it's going pretty good, but the overall average is 84. Average is actually doing pretty good. So, well guys, I hate to say it, but I'm gonna have to call it for this one. My recorder's at 15%, and we still got a lot more to cut. So if I need my phone for anything important, I ain't gonna have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the action that went on today. Don't forget to leave your feedback down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And like always, I hope all is well. And I will catch you on the next one. And I hope any of y'all that are also cutting wheat or got any other field work to do, I hope that's going good for you. And I hope you get her done soon. So I'll go ahead, gonna get out of here, and we'll see you next time. So hope all's well.